All right, YouTubes. Just got done surfing. The wind's gotten to it now. It's all blown out, but as you can see, like the pool here, dude, there's nobody here. We kind of got the pool to ourselves. The beach is empty. You see the surf break cleared out because of the wind, and everyone's hitting that spot down there. It's called the Rock. It's kind of a long paddle. I got my apple and my coffee going. You got to paddle out through the rocks. Then it's like Waikiki style paddle out to the outside. This thing here works good when it's not windy. And then you can see down the beach, pretty open. The weather, it's my first time to Cabo. The weather here is killer. It's like high 70s, low 80s, no humidity, so it's not humid at all. And the ocean temp's like 75, 74 degrees. Perfect. It's just really nice. It's gonna get super windy today, but I thought I would show the lay of the land. Here's a little bar behind me. No one's at the bar. It's really chill here. I'm digging it. Really, really good. And then I got some calls stacking up, and then it's back to the grind as soon as we get off the airplane when we get home. 60 amp service, no problem. Just run it exposed. That's awesome. Another epic install, condensate drain, no problem. Line set?
You think the drain? This is the end of the drain.
Oh, that's the condensate drain.
It just goes off into the street.
There's the line set. It's all wrapped up nice.
Look at the end there. It just goes off into the street.
That's a better install than Hvac could do. Hvac install. Hvac been here again. Hvac electrical. So the fan just doesn't sound right. I bet you the filters are dirty in this thing. I'd almost put money on it. It has dirty fan sound. Oh yeah. Vacation plug-o. Vacation plug-o. You know I love it. You can hear the sound of the fan. It's just laboring. Yep. Tidied up. Surprisingly, the coil's clean up there. You can tell it's had some condensate issues. You see the stains. And this is the H.V.A.C unit. It's like mix and match. There's H.V.A.C, there's Train in the building. Well, that's a wrap on the vacation. I want to say thank you to everybody that's tuned in and followed the little series here. We will get back to regularly scheduled programming shortly. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that watches the videos, that subscribe to the channel. I'm totally humbled to have over 28,000 subscribers now and all the view times. I hope my refrigeration videos, I've been able to share some knowledge with people. and do it in a fun, entertaining kind of way, kind of blue collar way. And just really want to say thank you to everybody.